Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's interesting because Microsoft never really talked about it. It's not in the known issues, but if you apply the February Patch Tuesday updates, there's a few fixes in it. One of them has to do with PCs that were having blue screens with security check failure, kernel security check failure error. And Microsoft has acknowledged this week that it was due to certain configurations with the GPU, with the graphics processor, and not just NVIDIA, like it would happen with any graphics GPU. But depending on how configured it was. So some of you might have seen this in the past, and there were more and more reports lately that it was happening. But Microsoft says it's fixed since the February Patch Tuesday update. So if you ran into this type of error and haven't yet installed the Patch Tuesday update, it's a good idea to do so. And a small subset, because there's not a lot of people yet using WPA3, but some people with specific, they don't mention which manufacturers are affected, but they do say that it's very specific Wi-Fi adapters that actually have a problem that you can't authenticate, you can't connect on WPA3 security. So you have to revert to WPA2, and there it connects. So this was also a problem that they've never really talked about, but acknowledged today, like later than the update that fixed it. It'd be fun if Microsoft would be a little more proactive, like just saying, "Oh well, we have these problems right now. We're working on a fix." But they rarely mention when you look at the known issues list, it's such a small list compared to the actual number of items that people have as issues, and they quietly fix it in the background. So like this is what happened. Patch Tuesday, we quietly fixed the blue screen for GPUs, and we quietly fixed the WPA3 connection issues. And now they're saying, "Oh, it's fixed." Okay, yeah, but it's interesting that you didn't mention that before. People might, like to know. Sometimes, problems on your PC could be related to the PC. If you go out and say, "Oh, by the way, if you have that kernel error, it's normal." Well, it's not normal, but it's us. We're working on a fix. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.